So hey babes, how are you? This is Jaina. I'm back, aka Jaina the brand. So according to today's video, we're going to be installing this 5x5 straight kinky wig. It's 20 inches long, and y'all can see like it came out looking so bomb. Okay. So before we hop into the video, so please I beg you to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more info, and let's connect. All my handles are listed on here. Thank you. So first off, I start with pushing all the hair away from the face, back, like pushing the hair back. So you can use any glue any gel, not glue, sorry, any gel that you can to help you push back your hair away from the face. Yeah, though it's a lace closure unit, but we gotta try so that if the wind blows, also the hair and the sides doesn't look a hot mess, you know. If you're gonna slay, okay. So that's the skin protectant that I've sprayed on there, and then I go ahead to spray the lace so that it blends so well with my skin. I use the Ebin in the shade medium dark brown, and then I blow dry. So there, that's the got to be spray, just to seal in the lace tint onto the lace because it's a material. Yeah, and then you blow dry until it gets dry. Yes, so the rest of the video, it's gonna be like a watch and see video. Like you can watch, I think, and learn something instead of me being into your ears like that. So I'll just be talking about a few stuff just like that. Yeah. So that's the bold hold glue that I use, the bold hold active. So I apply like 3 to 4 layers depending on how long I want to last the wig. Yeah, but then you have to wait for it to dry and get clear. So mine in this video was kind of, it didn't really get dry but like clear, but it got the job done. It depends. Yeah. So the thing is, it can dry on its own, or if your time bad, you can use a blow dryer until when it gets clear. So that's the tea. So instead of using fingers because they are oily, so I would prefer to go in with a comb and then kind of rub the glue and the lace into the glue so that it gets stuck onto the skin. I don't know if that makes sense. Y'all know I was feeling myself, y'all. So what I can say here is you try not to cut your lace straight. So you try to cut in a jagged motion or pattern, something like that, like a zigzag pattern, so that it's not like kind of mimicking how your hairline looks like, something like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you get it, you may. Yeah, this video is short, but to install a wig, you have to really have the patience. Yeah, so if you don't have the patience, So what I do, I went and did some bit of makeup as I tied down the lace so that it melts more in the skin, and then I came back. So yeah, it's time. So while I'm doing that, it's just that because I had tied the band on the lace and part of my forehead, so I'm just blending the forehead and the whole makeup on the face. Don't I look good already? I know I'm cute, but you know, just trying to do a little some. Okay. So I didn't want lots of baby hair. I'm not really a baby hair person, especially in the forehead, apart from the sides of the hair, the face. So I just threw on some few baby hairs just on the side. Yeah, to kind of give it that frontal look, you know. Are you feeling those lashes? Honey, me and my big lashes, we are twins by now. So my hustle is to style my hair on my head. Once that wig is on the head, that's when I start sweating. So what I usually do, I do most of the part when it's still on the dummy or a canvas block head. So right there I was just going in just to blend things in, like, but I had straightened it already. That's the kinky straight. So if you don't, it will look more puffy, but I had straightened it down already, so I was just going in just to neat up the work, but nothing major. And then the hot comb, that is a must-have, guys. Okay guys, so if you've made this far, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and those are my social handles. Let's connect. And if you want to check out my website for more details regarding hair, that's my website right there. Thank you so much. Be blessed.